Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to design a professional logo using the Shape Builder tool and Line Segment tool. Make sure to watch to the end of the video, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ask me anything in the comment section. Have a nice watching. Select the Ellipse tool. Hold Alt and Shift and draw a circle. Change the fill to stroke color from here. And take the stroke thickness around 10 pt. OK. Now select this circle. Hold Alt and drag to create a copy. Now select these two circles and copy. After that, select the Line Segment tool. Hold Shift, and draw a line from here. Hold Alt and drag to create a copy. And place it center. Again hold Alt and copy. And place it here. After that, hold Shift and draw a line from here. Hold Alt and draw a line from the center of this circle. Zoom in. Hold Alt and copy. And place it like this. Now hold Shift and select these two lines. Right-click the mouse. Transform, Reflect. And copy. Drag and place it like this. After that select this. Transform, Reflect, and copy. And intersect with this path. Hold Alt and put another one here. Do this in the same way. OK. After that, select All. And go to the Stroke panel. Take the stroke thickness 50 point. And select All. Go to the object. Expand. And click OK. With the Shape Builder tool, hold Alt and delete these parts. Make sure to work by holding down the Alt. After that, select All. and go to the stroke panel. Take the stroke thickness 50 point. OK. Now, select all. Go to the object. Expand, and click OK. And go to the Pathfinder. Compound. Now we have to take color. I took this color. You can use any color that you like. OK. Select this with the eyedropper tool and pick this color. Our logo design is complete. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then definitely don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.